This is the Yyteri beach in Yyteri district of Pori. This beach stretches for about 6 to 7 kilometers. It is one of the longest beaches in Finland and all of Nordic countries, and has also many distinctive dunes. The dune area is unique in Europe because of its size. Yyteri is a popular attraction for tourists within Finland and abroad. In 1965, Rolling Stones played their first ever Finnish concert in Yyteri. Yyteri also has a spa, hotels, and a restaurant. Other nearby attractions include Rapolsaari, Unaluoto, and Kaila. Watch my other video to see the beautiful destination, Kaila.